In this video, I'm going to unbox the Sony A6700 camera that also comes with 18 to 135 millimeter 3.4 to 5.6 lens. In addition to that, there's also a smaller box on the top, as you can see, which will have the f1.8 11 millimeter wide-angle Sony lens. Let's go ahead and get started. So what are my thoughts on this unboxing experience? I think the camera and lenses are great. Now, this is a very known brand. It is Sony after all. I have no doubts that both the lenses and the camera itself will perform just fine. The only thing that I'm concerned is that $2,000 camera came without any charger or any charging cable. And I know what you're going to say. Yes, everything comes without charging cables. Even the newer cell phones, we spend over $1,000 on them and they don't come with charging cable. That's fine, I understand. But in my opinion, they could have just put it in a box and forget about it. Let me know what you think about this in comments. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, hit that notification button. Until next video, bye.